going on, guys? Welcome to the vlog. It's K510 Automotive Group. Today, man, we in the junkyard. I just got a whole rack of stuff for the e36 for cheap, man. The stuff I needed, like an armrest, speakers, door trims, shifter knobs. I definitely needed my window motor just went out, so definitely had to get that. So yeah, man. Now it's off to go pick up the e36 so we can go get some work done and make some progress, man. And if you're not subscribed to the channel, please like and subscribe to the channel at K510 Automotive Group. Alright. Just made it back to get started on this e36. I just made it back to my grandparents' house, and I had to go pick up my e36. And today, man, I got a lot of parts and gadgets for this thing, man. My left front window motor had went out, so I had to go. I was looking online to buy one brand new, and it was like $130. I'm like, what the hell? $130? That's a lot, at least to me, for a window motor for an older car, you know? Like, had to be ridiculous, you know what I mean, to even pay. I mean, maybe it is worth buying a brand new one, because maybe this one might be bad, but I got the same window motor for like 30 bucks in the junkyard. It's a Bosch, you know. So later on I'm gonna install that, but today I actually want to get started on the my oil separator. See, like it's been giving me a code on and off. Like one day the check engine light is on and one day it's off. So it's like leaking from this hose right here. So I looked online and I seen a whole kit for it. Which I bought the whole kit. Has an oil separator, the tube that goes to it from the valve cover, and then this boot right here, and then the hose that goes to the dipstick. So it's a whole kit. I guess this is the name of the place that I got it from. It's in Phoenix and Memphis. Partsallin.com. So that's what I'm about to get started on now. I'm about to go ahead and replace my oil separator. And man, I need to replace my Vanos hose and my oil filter housing gasket. Yeah, I'm basically gonna be doing a lot of refresh for this car. I do plan to turbo it. I kind of want a little bit more power, and I do have a spare motor, so I'm gonna do like probably like refresh the motor a little bit, get a better head gasket, stronger head studs, you know. I've been doing a lot of research on whether to either turbo this motor or get a 2JZ motor and swap it, but most people say this is a 2JZ. You can make the same power with it. So I'm just gonna play with that idea for a little bit, just trying to turbo it and see how long it lasts. But I do want to do an engine swap. I'm looking to make at least 400 or 500 horses. It's kind of the goal that I want to get to, but in due time, there's no rush. I mean, I have other cars, other projects, and at the time, this right now is running pretty good. So far I took out the my air box, And this little vent for the alternator. And my intake boot. But the canister is right here. Once you take that out, you should have access to get to the canister. There's 3 bolts holding it. 1 tube line right here, and then there's 1 line that goes to the dipstick. Right there. Look like that line at the bottom did collapse. That was probably my issue right there. And my intake boot was not in the best shape, so I'm guessing that's my vacuum leak too. It kind of cracked up in this area right here, and then this hose at the bottom is cracked up too. So my car was a little bit under power, and I was getting a check engine light on and off, on and off, and I was burning a lot of gas. So I was like, what the hell's going on? So once I seen this oil on this tube, I was like, okay, my oil separator is bad or something, you know. So that's why I was initially going to replace. I'm still going to replace it. Hopefully I can get back home in this thing without, you know, it stalling out on me or something. But I do need to replace this boot on the mass airflow sensor, and I need to replace this tube right here. I'm not sure where it goes to. I think it goes to the manifold, so I gotta replace that. All right, guys, we got the old oil separator out. I was right about it. The hose did collapse. Look how gunked up this thing is, man. It's crazy. But what I did notice, it's really hard to get it out because of this bracket right here. It's like a bracket to support the intake manifold. So what I did was I loosened up the power and steering reservoir, and I was able to tilt it and just pull it out. I probably will just install it with just the canister in and this hose connected, and then I'll put this top piece on later. I think I'm gonna do it that way. And there's a boot that goes here that I still have to take off. That's no biggie though, it's just right there. All right, guys, I got the new oil separator in. I'm just going back in with the rest of the hoses and intake boots and everything. My intake boot is really jacked up, but just so I can get home, I put electrical tape around it. I'm gonna have to order another boot, and this hose right here, I think it goes to the throttle, to the intake manifold. So I just gotta do that, and we should be good to go. I didn't know I had big vacuum leaks everywhere. Like up here I had to tape it up, then I had to tape up this too. I'm just gonna order a new boot and go from there. All right, guys, it's all done, man. We got it running. So yeah, man, thanks for watching this video, man. Please make sure you like, subscribe to the channel.